Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can craft the map in the 99 Nights in the Forest game on Roblox. So basically, you're going to select craft item here, and you'll only need 3 logs craft, and basically it is super helpful, so do that first and then open up your map, place it anywhere. And then here, I still don't know how to rotate up. You can open map by pressing M on your keyboard like this, so that whenever you uncover a part of the map, you can see where everything is. Let me just go here a little. If you open map, I'm discovering this area. So, oh, there's a wolf. Let's not right now. Okay, but that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.